Note taking is an essential skill for any student, yet it is often overlooked or undervalued. Join us as we explore the art of note taking and how to maximize your learning. Good note taking involves more than just copying down information, it requires active listening, critical thinking, and strategic organization. Effective note taking starts in the classroom. It is essential to stay engaged and focused during the lecture, listening carefully for the key points and the main ideas. Digital note taking tools like laptop or tablets can be useful, but they can also be distracting. It is important to use them selectively and avoid multitasking during class. Note taking does not have to be a word for word transcript. Using shorthand or abbreviations can save time and help capture the essence of the lecture. Color coding or using symbols in your notes can also help organize information and make it easier to review later. Reviewing your notes regularly is key to retaining information. It is also helpful to summarize the main points and connect them to the previous lessons or readings. Finally, note taking can be a powerful tool for exam preparation. By organizing your notes into concise study guides, you can save time and improve your retention. By mastering the art of note taking, you can maximize your learning and excel academically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insight into the world of education. Have you discovered any unique note-taking techniques or tools? Share your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments below. Happy learning!